Okay. I don't know how well everybody's going to be able to see this. We'll see what we can do. Nope. Hold on. Over here. Okay. Up. Pause up. Yes. Good girl. Once she gets a little pressure up against your feet, you can kind of come forward. Oh, good girl. Good girl. If you don't get caught on the rug. Good girl. You ready? Good girl. Good girl. Here. Good girl. Good girl. And move the feet. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Okay. When she puts her paws up, the pressure of the ball goes on my legs. So as long as I'm not in a tilt in the room, then it stays against my legs. And then just walk her slowly. That is my smart girl. You are so darn smart. Yes, you are. You are such a good girl.